Hiya YouTubers, this is Superman G, come back at you one more again. And one of my subscribers contacted me and they were in the process of getting a new phone. Well, they couldn't remember how to get the data from their old phone, which are like pictures, videos, music, other documents from their old phone to their new phone. Now they do have an internal SD memory card, but they weren't sure exactly how to go about moving that stuff over to the new computer. Now usually you just make certain that everything that you want is saved to that SD memory card, and then you take the memory card out the old phone and put it in the new phone, and you should be able to access it once you've mounted that SD memory card into the new phone. However, there is another way of going about making a backup of your important data on your phone. Because if something were to happen with that phone, say like if you dropped it in some liquid or you dropped it from a high elevation and it actually shattered in pieces, there's a good chance that you may not be able to retrieve any information from the SD memory card unless you took it to a data recovery center, and then from there they're going to charge you anywhere from $500 to $1,200 just to try to get all your data off that SD memory card, and that's only if they can do it. There are no guarantees that they'll be able to retrieve the information off of that SD memory card. I suggest that you get yourself a USB Type-C cable. It's a USB-A to USB Type-C cable, and what this will allow you to do, this will allow you to plug the one end into the computer and the other end into your phone, and when you do that, you will be able to take all of your data, whether it's videos, photos, documents, off your phone. You'll be able to transfer them to your computer, and that way you can put it inside of a hard drive or SSD drive or whatever you want to back it up to, and that'll be a keepsake for you. So when you do get this cable, and as you can see, it's only $7. They're not that expensive. They come in different colors, red, blue, it depends on what your preference is, and these are braided cables, which means that you can twist it. There will be no damage to the cable itself. It's very strong, and it's also compatible with Samsung Notes. It's compatible with pretty much any phone that has a USB Type-C end. So if your phone has a USB Type-C end on it, then this cable will work for you. And this is a 2-pack, so for $7 for a 2-pack, that's not a bad price. Once you have the cable, you're going to plug the one end of the cable into the back of your computer and then the other end into your phone. You should hear a tone that lets you know that the device is connected. Now, if your phone is locked, you're going to get this message where it says something went wrong. We're having trouble accessing items on the device. It is unlocked. Is it unlocked, and have you accepted the notification to connect? Make sure there are photos or videos on your device. If your phone is locked, just unlock it, and when you have it unlocked, just click on try again, and it'll look for the new photos and videos, and it will start to download those to your computer. Now, it may take a while for the system to populate those new photos and videos, so you have to be patient during this step. Once it has found all those new photos and videos, it will take you to the next step, which will allow you to import the photos and videos from your phone to your computer. And as you can see, it is finding several hundred items so far. And as I said, you have to be patient, because if you have a lot of photos and videos and other documents or files on your phone since you last connected it to the computer, if you have, then it may take a while for it to find and retrieve all of that information. So now, as you can see, all of the new photos and videos have been found, and this is where it will import the items to. You can change the destination by clicking on change destination. If you don't want them in there, you can put them in a pictures folder, downloads, documents, wherever you want to put these items. You can put them in a different drive. If you have several drives connected to your computer, you can put them wherever you feel comfortable at putting them, where you can retrieve them later. So as an example, I'm going to select the pictures folder, and I'm going to add this folder. In this case, it's already there. And here I can select all 1150 items which it's found, or items since your last import. So if you connected your phone to the computer in the past and then you made new videos or you captured new photos, then this will show how many of those that it's found since your last connection of your phone to the computer. In this case, it's 173, or you can click none. Now you can manually do this if you decide to. So like in this month, you have these photos here. You can select, put a check mark in August of 2022, and it'll select all of August photos that you've taken. If you don't want a photo, you can uncheck it, and it will not transfer that over to your computer. You come down here and it'll say import 31 of 1150 items. Now you can have it do that if you choose. Instead of importing all the 1150, you can just import the 31, which is basically the month of August photos. Well, it's 32 since I checked this photo. So it'll be 32 photos and videos from the month of August. And then you can actually scroll down if you want to other videos and photos for previous months if you need to. This is July of 2022. You can do that. And if you decide you want to import them all, just click import all. Now with that, if you decide that you want to take these off of your phone, because when you put photos and videos on your phone, it's going to take up space on your phone. And sometimes when you want to take a picture of or video of something, your phone may warn you you're running low on drive space. And if that happens, you have to transfer or get rid of some of those videos and photos in your phone to make space so you can add the new video or photo to your phone. If that's the case, once you've decided that you want to import which videos and photos you want to your computer, you can select this box here, and it will delete the original items after import, meaning that it will actually delete those photos and videos off your phone so you can make more space on your phone. If you don't want this to happen, make sure this box is unchecked, because once that's deleted, it's gone. The only way to get it back is if you connect the phone to the computer and import them back onto the phone. And from here, I'm going to select import 30, and it's going to import them. Now it should also give me a second notification telling me import completed. 30 items have been successfully imported to photos and saved to this folder. It's going to ask you again, are you sure you want to delete the original items? Or you can select delete items or keep them. I'm going to select delete. It's going to delete the originals. Deletion completed. 30 items have been successfully deleted. You click OK. And from here, these are your photos or videos that you uploaded from your phone to your computer. And from here, you can save them, you can share them, you can email them, you can do whatever you want to do with these videos and photos. And that way, if anything happens with your phone, your stuff is safeguarded. You can upload them to a cloud, whichever cloud. OneDrive is a cloud feature storage that you can upload these to for safekeeping, but there's so much more that you can do with these photos and videos now that you've taken them off your phone. So heaven forbid, if anything happens with your phone, it gets severely damaged, it gets stolen, whatever, your photos and videos are safe at your computer or in the cloud. I hope this helps you guys out. You all take care, be safe, and peace out.